guys, it is Candy here with Crazy Eights Life, and I have a May Stitch Fix for you today. And I'm hoping, because this is fall, that it will be some good spring and summer outfits. We are just gonna go ahead and get right into this box today. If you would like to know more about Stitch Fix, or if you would like to try Stitch Fix out, there will be a link in the description below for a discount. And hopefully all the details that you need will be down there as well. I have been using Stitch Fix for at least 4 years, and I absolutely love it. They have great quality, and I have always enjoyed getting Stitch Fix. As always, here is the return mailer that you will put any of the items that you don't want to keep in. Just stick them in here, stick them in your mailbox, and that's as easy as it is to just send what you don't want back. A style card, and this will come with ideas for outfits with the items that you receive. And there's also a note, there is a note from your stylist. And look at this bundle. Those look some nice colors. I feel like I've seen this top somewhere before. But anyways, let's go ahead and look through these items real quick. Of course, you will have a list of all the items and the prices in here, along with any discounts that you may have. So let's go ahead and go through these clothes, and I will let you know what the costs are as I'm going through. So the first top we have is a Paper Moon. Paper Moon Adley Clip Dot top. I don't know what clip dot means. Well, I guess I do now. I don't know if you can see this. There's these raised, like kind of raised little dots throughout the fabric. So that must be what they mean by clip dot. And now I know. So just a tie front, kind of just a flowy, blousey top. All right, so the next top that we're going to have is Daniel Rain Adrian Split Neck Cap Sleeve Top. And this is very, very simple, really cute top. A little bit of a V-neck there. It has in the back the polka dot pattern up top and the stripes at the bottom. It's very lightweight and comfy. We'll have to see how I like it on though. So, but it's a good top. I think this is gonna be a dress. Market and Spruce Allison Knit t-shirt dress. I do like wearing dresses out grocery shopping or whatever, just because it's easy to throw on and go. So we'll see. I'm hit or miss on dresses. I did find one last time that I ended up keeping. So we'll see if this one is a winner as well. And then we have the 2 pairs of shorts. So this is going to be, I believe, the Liverpool, yes, Liverpool Johnny short in yellow. And then the Cut from the Cloth classic shorts in navy. So that's it. That's all I have for this Stitch Fix. And I am going to go and try these on for you, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back with the first 2 items. So I went ahead and I have the Daniel Rain, Adrian, it actually says Abrian. I think I keep saying Adrian. Abrian Split Neck Cap Tee in white. This is a size medium. It is $54. And then I'm also going to have on a pair of the shorts, and I'll go over that in just a second. First, I'll show you this top. So just really simple top with just polka dots, the cap sleeves, V-neck. It lays, I think it lays really well. It's super comfy. And I have these on with the Cut from the Cloth. I'm sorry. Let's see. cut from the cloth Thora slash pocket twill shorts in blue. They are $68. So I don't know. They're super comfy. They're super comfy, and I feel like they fit really well. But I don't know that I would pay $68 for a pair of shorts. I'm pretty cheap. Unless I would keep the whole box. And then, you know, of course that makes it cheaper. There is a 25% discount if you do keep everything in the box. I am gonna go ahead and try on the next outfit, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with the next outfit, and this is the Paper Moon Adley Clip Dot top in off-white. So it's kind of like a actually rusty burnt orange with the off-white, and you can see these dots. The clip dot, kind of just a flowy blousey top with, I don't even know what you call these sleeves, like a balloon sleeve, 3/4 length. You guys let me know down below what you think of this shirt, and I'm gonna go on to the shorts, and these are the Liverpool shorts in yellow. And I feel like the other ones fit a little bit better maybe than these, and I'm not sure why, but they just have a little bit different fit. They're super, super comfy, but I feel like there's something around this area that I just want to keep messing with. I'm not sure. So you guys let me know what you think. I mean, honestly, I think that maybe I would like this top better with the navy shorts. So anyways, that's it for this outfit, and I will be right back with the dress. I am back with the Market and Spruce Allison knit t-shirt dress. And it's just a t-shirt dress. It is super, super comfortable. The price is $44, which isn't awful. And it just has kind of a larger floral print. I can't even see it in the camera, so hopefully you guys can see that a little bit better than what I can see. It is about knee length, which is a good length. I'm not 100% sure I'm in love with the pattern on me, but it is kind of hard to see when you're just looking at a camera. So I will have to kind of go back and look at that. All right, guys, I'm back with a quick recap of the price of the entire box. So I don't get my stylist fee taken off because I do the Style Pass. So I have no discounts, I have no credits. But if I do have a discount if I buy all 5, which I'm pretty sure that I won't. If I do, my discount is $69.50 off of this box. And the total of the box is $278 minus the discount. If I were to keep all, would be $208 for all 5 of these items. So the 2 pairs of shorts, a Daniel Rayan, the polka dot top, and a Market and Spruce t-shirt knit dress, and the Paper Moon floral clip dot top. So you guys let me know what you think. I hope that I see you guys next time. If you like watching these videos, please hit that subscribe button and have a great day.